Hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In here, I'm going to teach you how to use Twitter API to automatically post things using AI, or if you don't want to call it Twitter, x.com. But yeah, welcome to this tutorial. So I already have Claude uploading automatic videos for me on Instagram, Reels, and TikTok Shorts, but I'm still missing for Twitter or X. So in this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to do that, and I'm going to connect everything live so that you can see how it works. Right now, I already have Claude configured so that it produces AI videos for me. And for example, here I'll show you, this is my TikTok, and you'll see this video has been uploaded. It was uploaded literally like 33 minutes ago. It was all done by Claude automatically. And then in Instagram, I uploaded the same thing 45 minutes ago, all done by Claude. So I'm missing Twitter basically. Now, how does Twitter work? Twitter is a paid service. It's different than Instagram and TikTok, which are free. So I just pushed like $5 a long time ago. I still have like almost $2 of credit, so I'm gonna use it. And basically, it's very cheap. It's like 1 cent per post, so it's almost like free. And basically, here I'll show you where you have to like create your apps. So you just go into console.x.com, and then here there's different type of apps that you can create by clicking on create app. I've already done this with mine. Once you create it, you're gonna get something like this, keys and tokens and all this nice information. When you create them, copy them on a text file so that you have the plain version of it. And yeah, let's go ahead and start creating the connection. So in Claude, I already told him that, hey, you already uploaded it to Instagram and TikTok. Now let's do it for X. So he's asking like basically X posting. Yeah, okay, so let's do X posting. I already have a developer account and the keys and tokens needed. What is the next step? So he's basically going to tell me where he wants me to save the credentials of the app that I created on Twitter, and it's really easy. You just like, for example, if I wanted to create a new one, you just go into here and you put test, you choose whichever you want. I chose production, and then you create the client application. Oops, test YouTube video. So let's see. All right, so he's gonna give me this. Of course, you copy and paste it on a text file so you have it. I'm gonna remove the key after the video is done, so this key is gonna be invalidated even if you try to use it. And then that's it. So let me refresh here. So now you'll see on development I also have one, and basically here are the things. See, webhook connections, keys and tokens, and see settings. You can also fill all this information if you want, which I did on this one. So all right, now let's go into the actual what Claude is saying. So he's gonna edit whatever he needs to edit so that it works also for Twitter going on just like it works for Instagram and TikTok. So all right, now let's see what it says. It says waiting on you, secret x.json isn't there, drop the files. Okay, so he's telling me to create the file. I'm gonna tell him, can you create the file with blank values and I will fill them up. Okay, so now he's gonna be creating the credentials file so that I can just fill them up. And I don't care about surveys. All right, so now let's open this. Let me copy this. Actually, open the file. Just open it for me. now we're on the AI world, so why would I open it manually? So here I have to fill in all the information required. Of course, I'm not going to do this on the video recording. I have to do this in a separate screen because these are like passwords. You don't share them. So let me do that and come back. Okay, so now that I've filled the values and saved them, I'm going to tell him I filled the values and saved the file. So now we have to authenticate with Twitter using these credentials and allow Claude to then have like an access token to post on X for us. So that's going to be the next step. Right now he's verifying that everything is working properly. He's trying to, I think, upload the video directly into X without authenticating, which I think might error out for him, but we'll see. I do know there's a step where you have to involve the browser. So, well, it says that it already did it. So let's see. Okay, he says that he was able to do it. The reason maybe that step was skipped is because I did it before already for OpenClaw. So maybe he was able to skip it. But you will have to authenticate with the browser, which is very easy. It just opens the browser and you just click next and that's it. And the URL, sometimes you have to share it with Claude, which you'll see it's very trivial. So okay, now let's see if this actually worked. So now let's go into this and click it, and there you go. That's the post. It was posted at this time, which is right now a minute before, and there's the video. It has all the posting. So yeah, that's pretty much the tutorial in a nutshell. Let me know if you have any questions. If you need help understanding how to connect Instagram and Twitter and TikTok so that it automatically pushes videos for you, or if you need if you have questions on how I configured Claude to be able to do like this cool looking videos where I just give it like a URL and he does basically an article based out of that website, or you can pretty much tell him to do anything. So yeah, hope you like it. Thank you.